This week on Beyond Innovation.
Adding 1 hour of duration per kilowatt hour of a battery is about $300. Adding 1 hour of ours is about $20. And so much more cost effective, in line with that of pumped hydro. And so now we bring the best of the flexibly sited batteries with the low cost of pumped hydro.
We're using a multimodal MRI to look at that. So we're looking at multiple data types on each individual to start to understand their central tendencies, where there may be asymmetries, impairments that we can help remedy. The easiest anecdote to use is really we're 23andMe for the brain.
And now imagine your car had this wonderful little button that would lift you up by 300 feet. And you could now fly over the highway and not be stuck anymore. I want this to be a technology that's available for everybody. It can't be as expensive as a helicopter. I want it to be really affordable. In fact, I envision a future where flying to work will be cheaper than driving to work.